Gaming here, and today I'm going to be playing with a fidget spinner, but it doesn't have those things and whatever they're called, but it's took it apart a little. So, I don't really know how to take this apart right here. We'll take this off, but you're supposed to be able to, but I can't really do it. Here, I can really try at least. We got it. Oh, and something else. Watch. I took the whole thing apart now, and I'm gonna try to stick it in here. Wait a second. Oh, crap. Can't really do that. So I'm gonna just stick it back in the spot. Okay. I still don't have these back on, but that's why it's not turning very good. Doing it very good. Spinning. See, comes right back on. Now watch. Hang on. It'll spin for like a long time, guys. Well, I didn't get it good enough. Oh, and it spins like way longer like that. One time I was at, one time my friend took the weights, well, whatever you want to call it, out, and he done it like really fast, and then it flew. Not this one, but a different one. Oh crap! I dropped it because I had one finger. I mean, not one hand. One finger. Now, hang on. See, stick your finger for that. I think I should go get on my trampoline when we're doing fidget spinner. Okay, I'm doing it. Alright. Oh crap! This trampoline, like, it has a little bit of water on it. Just a little bit. Okay. I'll jump all the way. See that? You can barely even see. What the heck? It's going so fast. It looks weird. It looked awesome. It looks awesome. Oh my gosh. Hang on. It looks like it's going so fast. What the heck? It looks weird on this camera. For a second it looked like brass knuckles, but no, it doesn't look like it anymore. See that how it's like looks like it's getting bigger? And how it looks like it's stopping, but it's not. Alright. It's turning. I don't know what in the heck is happening. See? It's normal. Normal everything. Except for the bills route. Watch. And y'all can tell it's moving. Cause look how fast it looks. Dude. So weird. I'm looking like at the screen and it looks so weird. Oh, stop. trying to flip with it. Oh crap. Boy. Oh crap. Oh man. Screwing up. There we go. Oh crap. And let's see if I can do it on this side. Oh crap. Wait a minute, that's a good idea. I can just shoot it up there. Oh crap. Never mind. I'm turning it right now. Oh crap. I was trying to press like that and then just like keep it spinning. It would have been really cool. I'll have to practice that sometime. Both things down. Oh man, I think I missed the bat. Hang on, I'm gonna try to make it go so fast that it stays in the thing. Oh, darn it! I done it. Watch. Sideways. See? Messed up. Sideways again. You can even watch. So, just to make sure it's real. So, ah! It's so weird how it looks. Oh, look. Watch. Just kidding. Oh, or you can just take one off, and then use one like just hang on there. Just try with both things. You can use one for like just one finger. Hang on, I'm gonna put this one first. Crap! I was trying to take it off while it was spinning. That's how it's supposed to look when the deal is taken off. I'll even show you how I took it apart. Look at this. So watch. See, look. Now you see how it's on right now? Oh, hang on. I'll show y'all. See how both sides are on? Yeah. Now you just put your fingernails like under it and just try to take it off. And this side's supposed to look like it has a rubber band in it. If y'all can see that. And the other side is supposed to look like the rubber bands don't like this. Like the bead drills are like hooked up to the rubber band or whatever, like glued to it. It's supposed to look like that. Oh crap, I forgot something else. Ouch. Now y'all can just push that through. Hang on. Wrong way, I think. See how it's coming out? Just here, the rubber band looking part, like the rubber band looking side, like that doesn't really have those beads. You have to push through that, not like the one with those bead looking things. You just push like that, and then it's out. See that?